Alright, I pushed play. Let's see what happens, because I have no idea what's gonna happen. Did I break it all and mess it all up? Or, oh, will it be saved? I don't know, we'll see. Oh man, this might be a long video. I just want to see what's gonna happen with the support. But I don't know when it's gonna go to it, because it just randomly, I don't know, we'll see. Right now it's printing the blade part. Oh, there we go, what's that? Oh no, something over there. Oh, it's another support. Uh-oh, that's not good. We can fix that. Just spin that this way. Okay, that side should be finished. Oh yeah, see? Well, it'll take a little bit, but I think it'll fix that. Oh man, I hope that's not actually a part of the blade. Oh, that would suck. Nope, it is. That is part of the blade, I think. Oh no, it's supports. It's trying to make circles, so that's going to be more supports. Maybe I should build that up a little bit better. You know what I could do is I can put a popsicle stick to measure it and then support the popsicle stick and let it print right on top of it. See that other one I fixed? That other one's printing good again. Oh man, that was close. Yeah, so that one's fine. Hopefully it'll stay that way. The problem is right here. Oh man, this is hair raising. I really don't want to do this all over again because it's already been printing for, oh man, I think it was like a 12 or 13 hour print. I forget. Might be more, might be less. I forget what it was. Oh man, that's the part where it messed up. Well, it had a bump like that, and I was trying to press it back down or move it to the side, but I guess I didn't move it far enough. I guess I can pause it again. Yeah, give me a second. Let me try to see what I can do. Oh, I got a hot knife. Oh, yeah, give me a sec. Alright, so I used the hot knife to try to reinforce this and make this as close to possible as the same height, and I'm going to use my 3D pen one more time to anchor this down to the plate because it didn't really stick to the plate. When the nozzle hit this, it kind of broke loose on the bottom, so I'm going to re-stick it one more time, and hopefully that'll help this print. If not, no big deal. I'll just have to start over. But from looking at the top here, it looks like these are still supports over here. So this is all going to be supports still. So this was still save. If this works, I can save the print. All right. We'll see what happens. Like, share, and subscribe. Stand by.